Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix your connection is not private in Chrome. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're seeing this error message when trying to open a website, the first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome and click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. From there, click on Settings. On the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security, then go ahead and click on Security. Now scroll down and make sure Standard Protection is selected. After that, scroll a bit more and ensure Always Use Secure Connections is turned off and disabled. Next, scroll down to Use Secure DNS and make sure this option is turned on. Click on the drop-down next to the DNS provider and select Google Public DNS. Once you've done this, close the Settings tab and restart your Chrome browser. Then refresh the website and check if the issue is fixed. If the error still appears, go to the address bar at the top and look for HTTPS in the website URL. Simply delete the S so it becomes HTTP and press Enter. This can sometimes allow the website to load if the SSL certificate is causing the issue. If it's still not working, click on Advanced on the error message page. Then click on the option that says Proceed to the website. This will take you directly to the site even if Chrome is warning you about the connection. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix your connection is not private in Chrome. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.